By the end of this course, you will build and ship production-grade Spring Boot applications by directing Claude. You will work like a senior engineer leading a team faster and fully in control. This is Bharath thippireddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor with close to 1 million students across the world. This course is for experienced Java and Spring Boot developers. If you are new to Java, I suggest you take up my Java and Spring Boot full stack courses and then come back to this. You will build a complete e-commerce REST API, Spring Boot, Java and MySQL with products, orders and payments, almost entirely by prompting Claude, barely typing code by hand. First, you teach Claude your standards in Claude.md and rule files, constructor injection, big decimal form money, DTOs over entities, so that the code it generates follows the conventions from the first line. Then you generate the whole app in 2 prompts, the data layer of entities, repositories and DTOs, then services and controllers on top running in Swagger within minutes. You will have Claude review its own code, then add a new feature end-to-end in planning mode. It proposes a plan, you approve before it touches a file. You will keep long sessions fast with compact and clear commands, work with sessions and learn how to use resume and rewind. You will turn your best prompts into reusable commands and skills and commit them so that your entire team will use the same checks with a single word. You will add hooks, automatic guardrails that run on every change at 0 token cost, blocking anything that breaks your rules. You will build subagents that write tests across your controllers, run multiple agents in parallel, and also measure your test coverage. You will connect Claude to real tools like Playwright using MCP to test your application in the web browser automatically. You will learn what Claude plugins are and install Context 7 plugin to fetch the latest documents and libraries. And you will ship it. You will containerize your application using Docker and set up a continuous integration pipeline using GitHub Actions. You will also see how Claude turns GitHub issues into a pull request. As a bonus, you will build a Next.js storefront on your API and get your own healthcare project, MediTrack, to refactor and extend as an assignment. Everything is hands-on on the latest versions of Spring Boot and Claude Code. Enroll now and let's build something real together.